Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping right into how to track project milestones in Todoist, your 2025 complete guide. First step, we need to create a project. Simply click on the plus button on the top right, type in your project name, and hit enter. This is important as it lays the foundation of your tasks and helps you stay organized. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks to our project. Click on your new project, hit Add Task, write your task, and press Enter. For each milestone, create a separate task. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable segments, each representing a milestone. Next up, we need to set due dates for our tasks. Click on a task, select Schedule, and choose your due date. This helps us because it gives us a timeline, a crucial aspect for tracking project milestones. Once we've set our due dates, it's time to monitor our progress. Todoist has a built-in feature called Karma that tracks your productivity. Click on the top right icon, select Karma, and you'll see your progress. Let me explain why this matters. It provides a visual representation of your progress, making it easier to identify if you're on track with your milestones. Finally, after completing each task, don't forget to mark it as done. Click on the task and select Complete. This helps us because it gives a sense of accomplishment and keeps the project moving forward. And that's it. You've now learned how to track project milestones in Todoist. Keep tracking, keep achieving. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.